before we ever start spraying any water on a house, we tape up all electrical connections. This one's going sideways, probably because of this wood siding. Most of them you see will be going in this direction. Regardless of which way they're going, we're always going to tape the same way. So I would like for you to try and get as proficient as possible in doing this the proper way. It's always a little better to tear off a little more than you think you're gonna need. And start at the bottom. So we're gonna start at the bottom. We're gonna have some overlap. Get it stuck there good. Okay. We're not gonna seal it down here. We want the water to run out. So we leave some cracks. We're gonna take another piece. We will overlap that piece just a little bit. Close that one off at the bottom. We'll overlap this one. I'm very impatient and I wish 3 would be enough, but it's usually not. This is the most important piece up here. This is what keeps the water from running down behind the electrical outlet and catching on fire or doing damage inside the house. So this last piece is very critical. That you not only overlap it here, but you seal it to the wall very well all the way behind here, and then get all that sealed off. This way every time. Start at the bottom, leave an opening, overlap, overlap, close the top, seal it off every time. It's simple if you follow the rules.